Hello everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactile, and today we're conducting a field strip and reassembly of the Ruger-5.7. First, push the magazine release button and pull the magazine free. Next, pull the slide to the rear and lock it in place. Make sure there are no rounds in the chamber. Next, we need to pull the takedown lever down. If your gun is brand new and it hasn't been broken down before, you'll need to apply a lot of pressure on the back side of the takedown pin. You can use the edge of a magazine to apply that pressure and push it. Once it pops out, you'll be able to pull the lever down. Now we can release the slide and escort it off the top of the frame. From here, simply pull the recoil spring free and then push on the top of the barrel to pull it out of the bottom of the slide. This concludes the field strip of the Ruger-5.7. Let's put it back together. Start with the slide and reinsert the barrel through the front. Pull it back till it meets the end of the slide. Next, take the recoil spring with the open end, push it into the end of the slide. Slightly compress it so that it sits on the lug of the barrel. Make sure that everything is nice and lined up in the center of the slide. Now, place the slide back on top of the frame in roughly the same position that you took it off. It won't go together until you get it in just the right position. Once you get it there, pull it back and lock the slide in place using the slide stop. From here, you should be able to tush up on the takedown lever and reassemble the firearm. However, if it's not going back into place, the barrel might have slid forward in the slide. Simply push the barrel back, then you should be able to close the takedown lever. Now, release the slide, and you've completed reassembly of the Ruger-5.7. Let's do a function test. Pointing in a safe direction, press the trigger and hold it down. Run the slide while holding the trigger down. Release the trigger slowly and listen and feel for trigger reset. Once you reach this, you can press the trigger again. Our final test is going to be to reinsert the magazine and pull the slide to the rear to check for last round hold open. This gun is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Ruger-5.7. For more information on guns like these, please head over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.